Narito po ang ating mga suki sa Cuneta Astrodome sa Pasay City. At kinagagalak po namin makasama naman kayo dyan na nanonood sa inyong mga television sets. Magandang gabi po. Ed Pixon po lamang kasama si Jason Webb para sa ABC5. At sa labanan ng Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants at ng Santa Lucia Realty. Kaya po nanalo kanina sa ating first game, Alaska, 110, talk and text, 98. Magandang laro ng Alaska ngayon, Jason. Kanina, ang laki ng lamang nila eh.
And I believe that's already their third straight victory for the Aces. And for a while there, it seemed di nila alam kung ano yung direction that they were going to take as they struggled. And all of a sudden, buhay na buhay itong Aces.
Parang humaba yung siko ng Ralinia. And a foul is going to be called on Dennis Espino on that rebound scramble. Nanonood pala yung kaibigan natin si Herman Salvador. Si Brad Pitt. Yung puts daw siya. Kamag-anak mo ba si Jordan? Ha? Scott?
Hindi, alam ko yung natatan niya si Jordan, si Bonji, taga yan. Taga Paranaque talaga yung mga yan.
Constituent.
Yes.
Ayos. Roger Yap. Off the steal by Bitoy Omolon.
You know, it's the first time that there was a turnover and Santa Lucia actually had a chance to run.
Yeah.
Kita natin to si Bitoy Omolon, one of the better finishers, and once he gets that steal past the halfway line, the half-court line, things like this happen. You're on the free throw line trying to make points for yourself.
Unang putos po yan ng Santa Lucia Realty, and it comes at the 5:25 mark of the first quarter.
Pero yung Pure Foods, not really far ahead of Santa Lucia. They also only have 4 points on the board. So both teams, after almost 7 minutes of action, 6 na puntos pa lang combined.
Chico Lanete is in the game for the first time. Ralini runs into Dennis Espino. Nagpiko. Step no, step yes.
So I think the players should really be careful because I really noticed there's a more emphasis on the traveling call the last couple of games. I believe in the last game, at Piñares, ang dami ring traveling. So you got to make sure to put that basketball on the floor before you take your second step for your attack to the basket.
Ayun, speaking of the basket, maganda yung atake ni Kenny Williams. Mas maganda pa yung dakdak ni Wesley Wilson on the follow-up. At tabla na tayo. For all. 4 minutes and 40 seconds to go.